Dogecoin, Doge, essentially is a mineable coin that explicitly is as of now exchanged at $0.071374 per unit, with the market capitalization of $10,114,885,138, that in a real sense makes it a mid-position digital money in a genuinely large manner. Computerized resources like Dogecoin in every practical sense have currently fundamentally turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for sort of retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally for especially huge institutional financial backers who see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a kind of viable for the most part fence against expansion that takes a very weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which certainly is very critical. Hence, having essentially a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto generally is for all intents and purposes an unquestionable necessity for any dealer and financial backer who generally needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years incredibly fundamentally. Be that as it may, with it sort of comes the need to intently follow the improvements on the expressed market to fathom what is happening and for the most part have some feeling representing things to come. This Dogecoin cost expectation model basically was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, basically track down the scarcely the best coins or tokens to put resources into, and in a real sense keep the value band filling in an especially significant manner. In any case, prior to digging into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost expectation, we might want to really help you to remember the extremely fundamental standards of digital currency exchanging and venture. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its genuinely current standings, as well as the mid-term, and for the most part long-haul cost expectation that explicitly depends on the readings of our by and large restrictive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, which by and large is genuinely critical. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin truly remains at $0.071374. And this specific computerized resource explicitly stands firm on the 10th foothold in the worldwide cryptographic money positioning, which explicitly is very critical. For prettier data, the positioning of each and every digital money generally is vigorously dependent on its genuinely current market capitalization and value, and is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most modern data on the resource being referred to, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Likewise, to by and large get a very better fundamentally handle of the market circumstance and especially grasp the in every practical sense general heading of the pattern, or to basically enroll its non-appearance, it's additionally critical to basically dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in spite of mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on November 5th, the cost of Dogecoin in every way that really matters remained at $0.069074 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 2.93% contrast when contrasted with the extremely current cost 7 days prior. On October 30th, the Dogecoin market remained at $0.069353 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. As the outcome, the value sort of moved by 0% comparable to its especially present standing. A month prior, on October 6, Dogecoin for the most part was evaluated at $0.061427, which sort of concurred with our cost expectation for that kind of specific period, which is genuinely huge. Contrasted with the extremely present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 16.19% cost move. At the point when it generally comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves kind of more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its in every way that really matters. By and large prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which is very huge. Numerous digital money brokers view market capitalization as an exceptionally key marker to especially be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices in an every way that really matters, significant way. It for the most part is determined by duplicating the genuinely absolute number of coins that in a real sense are right now available for use, circling supply, by the ongoing cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now by and large stands at $0.071374, or so they thought. Considering that equation, we have determined the exceptionally current market capitalization of Dogecoin to especially be at $10,114,885,138. Which legitimizes its place as the 10th coin among this kind of present on the cryptographic money market, which especially is very huge. Yesterday, on November 5, the market capitalization of Dogecoin in a real sense remained at $9,787,518,675, keep going week. On October 30, the by and large aggregate sum of certainly capital gave to Dogecoin in every way that really matters was laid out at $9,820,450,983. The information from a month prior, enrolled on October 6, generally shows that Dogecoin in every practical sense had a market capitalization of $8,680,7,660, which all things considered is very critical. Absolute stock focuses to the quantity of coins that fundamentally have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made and in every practical sense are either coursing available or secured in designers or alternately holders' freezing wallets, which basically is genuinely huge. The in every practical sense complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate in an unobtrusive manner. It can basically measure up to the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that for the most part is public on the financial exchange. The genuinely complete stockpile of Dogecoin at present certainly remains at 141,716,266,384 Doge, or so they really thought. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply by and large is the most generally involved kind of measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, or so they in a real sense thought. It compares with the actually the best estimation of the general number of coins that certainly are public on cryptographic money trades and add to their liquidity in an unpretentious manner. Their volume doesn't especially incorporate the coins that basically are vested, marked in fundamentally shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or in every practical sense, put unavailable for general use amazingly. The flowing stock for the most part is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the securities exchange, or so they in a real sense thought. At the present time, the circling supply of Dogecoin by and large is assessed at 141,716,266,384 Doge, so yesterday, on November 5, the market capitalization of Dogecoin really remained at $9,787,518,675, keep going week. On October 30, the sort of aggregate sum of kind of capital gave to Dogecoin basically was laid out at $9,820,450,983, the information from a month prior. Enrolled on October 6 especially shows that Dogecoin had a market capitalization of $8,680,7,660, which generally is genuinely critical. Over the sort of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market really added up to $493,136,682, of the by and large thought. Yesterday, on November 5, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting added up to $203,775,433. 7 days prior, on October 30, the power of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $202,994,487, which generally is very critical.